I know you desperately want to create an online course. In fact, people have been asking you for it, and you've created the curriculum, you've shot the videos, you've put everything together, and probably you've even taken the step to go host it on a platform. And now you don't know what to do with it. The people that even ask you for the course, they are nowhere to be found. But the truth is, creating the course content is not really everything you need for people to buy. There's a lot of things that you need to get right. And that is why I created something called the BPLB framework. So before the pre-launch, the launch, and the post-launch. So that's a four-step framework that I use to launch online courses. So if I want to launch an online course, first, before the pre-launch, I'm asking the question. Yes, people are asking me to create a course. They want to do this, they want to do that. I try to know what is the problem they're trying to solve. Who exactly do I want to create this course for? What is the transformation that I will be able to provide with this course based on my expertise? How much am I going to sell this course? What will I call this course? What is the curriculum of this course? And what is my goal for this course? By the time I create this course, how many people do I want to get into this course? So how many people do I need in the pipeline to be able to get this number of sales that I want? Now, if you're able to answer these questions, then you move to the pre-launch phase, which is where you plan. How long am I going to market this course that I want to create for? This is where you create pre-course launch awareness. This is where you ask your audience, oh, I'm working on this course. People have been asking me, this is what I'm trying to do. What would you like to see in this course? If I put this course together, and you just create buzz using your stories, using content and different things to create buzz. This is also where you plan your timeline. What date and what date will certain things happen? What is my lead generation plan? How will I get this number of people into the pipeline so that I can hit my number of sales? What is my content plan? How many pieces of content will I need if I'm going to be marketing this thing for 6 weeks? How many emails will I need? Am I going to do a free webinar? What date am I going to do this webinar? Am I going to go live on IG? What date am I going to go live? What are all these things? You tailor them down. Even at the pre-launch phase, if you want to, you can open a pre-order payment or a wait list where you start channeling people in. The pre-launch phase is also a very good phase to test run your idea. So especially if you've never launched a course before, you could just do a free webinar, get people in, and see if people really want this idea. Then you move to the launch phase. The launch phase is where you're putting out all the content you've created, start putting out the emails, doing the webinars, going live on IG, and also start creating the course. Because by this point, you've gotten a lot of information that will empower you, even improve the content you put together for this course. Then after that, we move to the post-launch phase. Many people don't do this at all. This is where you now say, okay, I'm done with this launch. Did I hit my numbers? How many people did I get in the pipeline to hit this number? What could I have done better? And then how can I keep selling this course? Do I sell it on Evergreen? Does it become a cohort-based program? And then that's how you scale. And the interesting thing is if you do all of these steps, you make so much money, even more in the post-launch phase. Yes. So that's how you can move from just, oh, I have this idea, you go and shoot the videos and you don't know what to do with it. So if you want to launch a course, this is what you need to do in order to get the result and get people who are ready to pay you even before your course is ready.